So today I'm going to show you how to unclog a dishwasher since this just happened to me last week or so. So the first thing you see is that there's this spinning wheel, and in the middle of that wheel there is a little nut that you have to remove. I use pliers here to make it easier, but really you need two hands, so hold the wheel and then use the pliers to unscrew the nut. Okay, here once you get that little wheel removed, there are 4 additional screws. There's 3 main ones on the outside, and there's one underneath this gray tube or pipe. Just to note, this is a Torx screw, so you need one of those bits that looks like a star. So as you can see, I couldn't remove it, so you need to remove this little pipe or tube. There's clips in the dishwasher, so you just remove it from them and it should come out fairly easy. And then now you have access to that leftover screw. You remove that one, and then this cover should come off like that, and now everything should be exposed of what's clogging your dishwasher. So just be sure to clean this out. Clean that cover as well. We saw some stuff in there. As you can see, we saw a mason jar lid. Here we didn't have a shop vac or any other tool to get rid of the water, so we just kind of bucketed out all the water using the red Solo cups. It does take a while, so be patient. And then you keep going. We try to soak up as much water as we can with some paper towels, but as you can see, there was food in here, and there were big chunks. I think we found a chopstick, a mason jar lid, and so forth. But what you see on the screen right now is a little cover for the actual little pump, I guess, that goes straight to the garbage disposal. There's a cover for this pump, so on the bottom left of the screen, or bottom middle, you can see a little screw. It's only one screw that you need to remove, and this allows you to take off the cover. So that's what you see here. So essentially you just take out that screw, and you should be able to pull that cover off, and now you're exposing more of other stuff that could be clogging your dishwasher. Obviously, throughout all these steps, just remove any kind of dirt or debris that's in the dishwasher, so it can be unclogged. And then after that, pretty much you just put everything back together. You start with that one screw, put in that cover for the pump, put in the other cover with that, which has 4 screws, I believe, and then you put back that little pipe or tube that routes water from, the bottom to the top of the dishwasher. And then you pretty much just snap everything back into place, put in that spinning wheel, and then put in that nut. And at this point, your pretty much unclogged dishwasher is ready to be used. It is highly recommended to run a rinse or a cleaning pod for the dishwasher before you run the machine, just so you can clear out any remaining food or debris in the dishwasher. And then after you clean it out with that cleaning pod, then you could use the dishwasher after that. So that's how you unclog your dishwasher.